Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart NUBIA Neo 3 5G. Okay, we have two ways how we can restart our device. I'll show you both methods. So when it comes to the first method, which is also recommended, is a reboot using the power menu. To launch it, we need to click the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now you can see that the power menu appeared. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart button, then tap again, and after that your device will be turned off. Wait a few seconds and it will be automatically turned on again. When it comes to the second method, it's called the forced restart, and it's recommended in situations, for example, when we have unresponsive screen, when our device is lagged, and basically when we cannot perform the first method. To do it, all we need to do is to simply grab our phone and we need to hold our power button for over 10 seconds until our device restarts. So simply keep holding. Okay, when you see the NUBIA logo, you can release your fingers and now simply wait until the device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.